basket. That's all stuff I need to keep, file it or whatever. And then, you know, some of these papers that are on the desk, I'm going to stick in this one just so I know where it's at till I can go into it further and actually file them or whatever I'm going to do with them. But I got that, all that paper that I had is way down further than it was before. And it didn't take me that long. By the way, I'm on the second day. I had to leave and I didn't get a chance to get back in here. And you know, if you don't have enough time the first day to do what you got to do, feel free to take a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, especially if it seems overwhelming. So today is day 3, and I've cleared a lot of the paper. A lot of the paper is gone. I have it shredded. I filled up my shredder like 3 times, but look, I have this mess. See little white papers? I've done filled that up 3 times, and as you can see, it is almost full again. So now I need to clean up my paper mess from everywhere. And you know, but yesterday it just took a while to get through all those papers and shred what I was going to shred and file what I was going to file. So now I've got to clean up my mess from yesterday, and then I think we'll be done. So let's go at it again. Okay, so I finally got done. Got all the paper up. That was just little bits of paper that I found that couldn't suck up in the vacuum cleaner, so I just stuck it in there. But the desk area looks a whole lot better. I'm so glad that I got rid of all that paper clutter, and it looks a whole lot better in here than it did before. So if you would like to see a desk organization, give this video a thumbs up so I know to do that next. And y'all don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now. You hear?